I'm just demonstrating to you right now. Here's my trade, or let me see, here's my chart. Then let me see it. Here's my charts on GBP USD. So we see that like from this side, um, what do you call it? From this level to this level, you may see it as like a bunch of skirmishes, as in lots of candles just moving up and down here. But when you go on your daily, let's say let's say we missed um the sniper entry on this level, right? Let's say we missed the sniper entry on this level, and I want to wait for a correction and take the trade long term, because we know that GBP/USD is going to be pushing all the way up to like at least this level, or even to like our TP3, and I want to still enter at the very lowest point here. This sorry, these two candles here, this candle and this candle here, is an impulse. So if I want to measure the correction, how do I even do this? I don't know. Okay, it's like this. The market is always like impulse, correction, impulse, right? So this is an impulse. If I want to measure the level at which the correction is going to go until we have another impulse, that's where the Fibonacci can help me to like not to crack my brain so much about it. So with this, for instance, I'm going to use the Fibonacci from the high. This is last week's high over here. So we have last week's high here. I'll take it and then bring it all the way down to the low here, right here, this candlestick, the wick of this candle. So you see that? So I'm just expanding it to like show you something. So the wick of this candle is our low, and sorry, the wick of this candle's wick here is our low, and then this is our high. This is our high. Do you bap the whole point? I feel like I'm teaching a student right now. Anyway, sorry. Hold on. So to measure how low our correction is going to go, usually, like I was saying, it's either the 50% Fibonacci level or 38.2. And majority of the time, price respects 38.2%. So for me, I'll just mark it this way. Right here, this is a 38.2. I'm going to mark that, and I delete the Fibonacci level. Okay, so here's the thing. The Fibonacci can also can give you your entry and give you your take profit level. So short term, see, 38.2 is where I marked, right? For short term, I could take my profits here at the 161.8, but I usually don't do that. So yeah, but so here's the thing. Let me delete the Fibonacci, and then we go back to 1 hour, and then you see something. So you see we have an M here. This is now our 38.2 Fibonacci level, right? So I could say that by tomorrow Tuesday, price already respecting this level, right? But I could say that by Tuesday we can have, for the sake of stop loss chasing, price will come down to this level here. Mm? So this becomes more like a double bottom. We are still within the 38.2 Fibonacci level range, and then we go up. So if you're a short-term trader, you can take your take profits here. But basically, my entry level should be in this region here, because price is respecting that level. We had an impulse last week, and then we are having a correction. Yeah, so basically that's it. So if I'm going to take a trade on GPUSD right now, I'll either put it somewhere here. I'll let my buy limit be somewhere here. Short term, take profit here. And that's it. Yep. Let me see. Okay, let's say I give myself 30 pip stop loss. Yep. So that is it. But um this is just like Fibonacci level, right? But oh yeah, that's it. That's it basically. I'm also seeing something like this, so but I'm just showing you like so here's the thing. This is where Fibonacci level could fail you. So remember we have the our entry around this level, right? So we have to put into consideration this trend line we have here as well. So we have this here. I can expect that some way somehow price will drop. So I can have a tight stop loss beneath my 38.2 Fibonacci level just to like protect myself because I see I mean something going on here which if we are not careful we could go down. So yeah, that is it. I don't know if this video can get you because it's way too long, but yeah, that's basically it.